That's fine. I'll just have it like that, thank you. I've got no choice now. Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm in Edinburgh. As you can tell, the washing machine's on in the background. I'm at my sister's and we are just about to tuck into some delicious breakfast. I'll take you through to the living room and we're gonna eat this. Our parents are here. It's such a nice sunny day. I'm literally looking out the kitchen window and the sky is blue. So we're gonna have a really nice day. We used to go meet our parents in a bit. We failed to get Oasis tickets this morning, but never mind. Sad times. I'm about to leave to go and meet my mum and dad. I'm just packing a bag to head out. Jen's gonna stay here and do a little bit more of her video stuff and tidy the flat and stuff. And I am gonna go up to the St James's Centre and meet them, have a wander, get a coffee. I've not had a coffee yet today. Look at the state of this bedroom. We have a pile of clothes here. This is where I sat and did my makeup. The lighting is so good from this window. And then all my stuff. Also, I think I forgot to show you guys. I got these from the little, maybe Jen showed you these already in her video, but I got these from a little local Mexican shop for Matt, corn tortillas, and then this really Mexican sauce that is like a salsa picante. And we had some of this when we were in Mexico, or I think Jen had some of it when she was in Mexico. Matt says he recognizes the bottle, but I think it's quite authentic. And Matt really enjoys corn tortilla. Controversially and definitely not authentically, I don't enjoy a corn tortilla. I'm a little bit more basic than that, and I like a plain flour tortilla. That's my tortilla of choice. I'm just gonna apply some of the Hourglass lipstick that you guys saw that I got for my birthday. This is the nicest color ever. It's the shade Sense 110. Look how nice it is. I already had stuff on my lips, but I'm obsessed. It's so glossy. It's like a gloss, but also a lipstick. It's like a really glossy lipstick. Love it. Oh, I'll show you what I'm wearing quickly actually. I have on this Zara blouse that you guys saw from a recent haul of mine. It was in the sale. This is like £17 at the minute. Love it. I love the length of the sleeves. It's really light and airy. I have my Levi blue jeans on. My black shoes that I got from the shop yesterday. God, my toes are not looking great in that view, but I promise they look nicer in real life. Got my little APC bag. And I'm not going to wear a coat because it's actually quite sunny today. So I'm just going to put my sunglasses on, order my Uber, and then let's go. Guys, this is such a bad view, but this is my little outfit check. You can just see in the mirror. Mum and Dad have brought me my gifts, finally. Lots of love, Mum and Dad. Mum.
Well, will that be sitting in your suitcase?
Dad got me this lovely Samsonite case for my jewellery. He got it free on a plane. No, that is really cool. I love that. Thank you. Gift time, my favourite time. My Chloe perfume, my favourite. Although should I open it?
No, because people don't smell it from behind.
People smell it. And the best gift of all. Oh my god, it's a biggie. It's a giant one.
Yeah, remember last time the Chloe was a biggie, but they don't do them anymore.
That's a good excuse.
No, I asked for the biggest one. They said this is why I had a bigger one last time. They must just do promotions, Jess.
Oh my god, how big is this? Oh, Jesus Christ.
That's the biggest one.
Will that fit in there?
Hand for size, face for size.
Jess, that fits in there. Jess, you can stick that in there.
No, I don't think I can. No, it's so small. Wait, this is for Matt. Jen's trying her first ever Vietnamese iced coffee. This is Matt's favourite drink.
It's me, Jess. It's me for you.
These are so
Oh, you don't like it?
I would have preferred chops. Thank you.
Yes, you sure it's all white. Just put it on there.
This food is incredible. If you're ever in Edinburgh, come to a place called Spry. We have like an amazing little lamb dish, a lobster thing, lobster toasty, some olives, bread, a paratha, some lovely orange wine.
There, Jen.
Guys, do you want to see something pretty neat?
I'm now back from Edinburgh. It's 20 past 6. And when I got in the door, Matt picked me up some lovely flowers. Let me just show you. He got me these, a big hydrangea and then some roses from, are they from the Balham market? The Balham flower market?
Yeah.
He's also cooking me a nice dinner. We're gonna have some sort of a take on my prawn stew, but he's Mexicanifying it.
Yeah, so it's a Mexican version with a bit more spice, lime, coriander, and what else? Good things.
Okay. And we've got some garlic here. He's chopping these nice and finely. And we've got some onion. We're gonna have it with these pita bread things, or these Greek deli flatbreads. He's got chilies, he's got the tomato puree, and then he's also got this, which I picked up, which you guys would have seen. Also, you know, in my sister's vlog, if you watched her Vlogist, you would have seen that we went to a hot yoga class on Friday morning, and oh my god, my knee is like broken from it. I think I just overstretched it, which is not great. Anyway, while I was away, I picked up last week a few different things, and they arrived while I was away, so I thought I would quickly show you them. I also picked up a few bits in COS, which you would have seen in this video, earlier in this video, so you've already seen me try these on, but I just thought I'll show you which bits I got. Let's just do it now. Also, excuse my hair because I just came in, had a quick body shower, and then put my hair up, but it's kind of all falling down, but that's fine. Okay, hopefully you can see me okay. The first package is from Dunelm. This is, Matt, this is a bit of a homeware gift for both of us. I thought it was really sweet. I saw Kate LaVie. If you don't follow her, you should follow her. You probably do, she's quite famous. She does like a lot of homeware stuff and interiors, and I really trust all of her design choices. She basically shared this and she bought one, and I was like, wow, what a steal. This was £14. Oh my god, I actually love it.
What is it, a draft excluder?
Well, it is, but I thought it is a draft excluder, but I thought, and this is what she used it for, is for her bed. Like a big long, I think they call them like lumbar pillows for the bed. That's really cute, and I love a little mixed pattern. So I thought we've got our gingham pillowcases, and then this would be really cute across the bed. What do we think? Let me know your thoughts. I'll show you it in situ as well. Okay, next is from And Other Stories. You know our friend's wedding in Greece at the end of the summer. I have a dress from Reformation that I wore to my cousin's wedding last year, and I'm all about re-wearing dresses. I think you should never be buying something brand new for every single occasion that you're going to. But I just kind of saw a few dresses. I saw one particular dress on And Other Stories, and I love the colour of it. I really think that for my skin tone, I quite suit like pinky colours or blues and different colours like that. And I thought maybe this could be a good option. Let's see. I've not seen it in real life yet. So it's basically the same dress in 2 colours and 2 sizes. Let me just show you. This is the colour. It's this bubblegum pink colour. This was £67. Oh, it's quite pretty. So this is the first one. It's just kind of this like straight across. It's not a cowl neck. It's like a little crew neck here. It's gathered over the shoulders, and the sleeves are kind of capped, but like kind of come out a little bit over the shoulders. I don't look a very good sight right now, but I think this could be quite cute for a summer. I mean, it's a wedding in Greece at the end of the summer. My other dress is like a really nice yellow meadow flower sort of scene from Reformation. I'll put a picture on the screen from my cousin's wedding, and I do absolutely adore it. But I just thought, let me get this, I'll try it. If I like it, then obviously I'll keep it, and if I don't, I'll send it back. So I got the pink, and I got, this is the large. It's a midi dress as well. It's kind of like this tulle sort of material, like this mesh kind of top lay, and then underneath it is like fully lined. I love that colour. I feel like it's so bright and fun. I never really wear bright colours, so I thought, let me try something different. So I'll try this on and let you know what I think. And I got it in the medium as well. I'm not sure about this colour. Whoa, it's a bit like royal blue. I got it also in the blue. This is the medium in the blue. So I'll give these a try on and see what you think as well. I'm not 100% sure about the blue colour. I think this is maybe a bit crazy. But let's see. Obviously I'll be returning 2 of them. Then from COS, I picked up this gorgeous blouse. Oh my god, I'm really obsessed with this. I tried this on in the shop. You will have seen it on the clip. This just looks so cool on. It's got these big bellowing sleeves, and they're cut so they really fall and hang where they should, like make the sleeve like into this massive like bellowing sleeve, and then it's kind of gathered around the neck, so it's like a little crew neck. And I thought with the bob, a pair of like nice big gold earrings, I thought this would look really nice. They're having like a night before the wedding, like a dinner, then the wedding day itself, and then the day after I think we're either doing like a wine tasting or like a day at the beach. So I got this just generally because I need some nice blouses, but also I thought maybe the night before the wedding this could be quite nice. It's like a greeny colour with maybe some like creamy coloured cargo shorts, some big gold earrings, and my big black sandals. Or potentially, I tried on the navy blue outfit. So I was going to get the top as well, but the top was all covered in makeup from other, or deodorant marks from other people trying it on, and I just thought, I'm not paying 45 for the top. This blouse was 75, by the way. It was quite expensive, but I thought it's such a standout piece that I was like, I feel like I'm going to get so much wear out of this. The asymmetric navy top, I'm going to order that online because the only ones in stock were covered in makeup, and I'm not paying for a top that's covered in deodorant or makeup. That top, the asymmetric one, was 45, and then these shorts, which I absolutely love, they're that little bit longer, and they're just the nicest deep navy blue colour. They're super comfy, and I just felt really good in them. So I picked these as well, and they were also 45. So obsessed with them. Then let me just quickly grab the shoes that I bought as well while I was there. I really treated myself this weekend, and all I got Matt was a few tortillas and some salsa. I've been wearing these today to travel home in. These have been through King's Cross Station and all over the place basically, but these are from the company Toast, and the brand is Trippin. They're a German company, I believe, because I did a little bit of Googling. They are basically all leather except the sole is rubber. The sole, I don't want to show you the bottom because it's kind of, well, there you go, you can see it. It's like this big chunky sole, and these are some of the comfiest shoes that I've ever worn. Like, I wore these pretty much for a whole day on the first day that I got them, and they are really comfy. Like, it's proper leather that they feel really worn in, but they're obviously brand new, and they're just great. And I feel like they looked so good because I wore them the day that I tried on all the bits from COS, and I feel like they looked so nice. So that's the plan for the wedding weekend in Greece. I feel like I've got my summer, I'm just got a rock in the bottom of them, stone. I feel like these are my summer shoe for this final bit of summer that we're going to have towards the end of September, and I think that they're going to go with everything. I love them with the navy blue outfit. I also feel like they look really nice with the blouse and the kind of creamy coloured cargo shorts or jorts or whatever the hell everyone's calling them these days. Not cargo shorts, I mean like denim shorts that are long and cream, whatever the hell you would describe them as. But yeah, I thought that these will just go really well with all of the outfits that I could ever picture in my head. So hopefully they look good. Anyway, I'm gonna go and put all this stuff away now because Matt's cooking and I don't want them to kind of get infused with the smell. I'll show you what dinner's looking like when it's all ready. Guys, this is the finished dinner. This is Matt's take on my prawn stew. He kind of does it a bit more like a Mexican vibe and
I think I've put too many things in. Just for the record, I think I probably... It's got too much in there.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't need the chickpeas, it doesn't need the butter beans, but because it's now looking a bit... It's not looking as saucy as I envisaged, and the last time I did it, I don't know how, I think...
It was good.
I think the last time I did it, it didn't have chickpeas. I mean, it had like taco beans in a sauce, so it was a bit more saucy, because that looks...
It looks really good. So this is gonna be really nice. I'm just gonna add some toppings. So we have some coriander and white onion to give it the Mexican vibe, the authentic. Look, and we have flatbreads. This is gonna be really yummy. I forgot we had flatbreads. Oh, could I have a little bit of olive oil actually? Or a nice one. No, actually I don't need it because I'm having this. Oh, we have lots of flatbreads.
We've got two each.
A bit of sour cream on top.
I mean, that's really looking better.
Yeah, I know. It does look really good. And then we obviously have our little... Let me just do a little bit of this. Because that was me trying it, this bit in here. Honey, we do need cutlery though.
Yeah. What do you want?
I'll have a fork and a spoon, please. These are the flatbreads. These look really good. I'm really happy. Thank you. And we're going to watch a documentary. Well, it's not a documentary. We're going to watch something on Netflix called IC-814. It's about hijacking of an Indian flight in, I don't know what era, a few years ago. Here's the taste test of the century. It's really tasty and it's really healthy and it's exactly what I need after my big weekend.
I was just thinking it'd be quite fresh and I found like it's better than I don't know whatever else we're gonna have, pasta or...
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice with the sour cream and the onion.
And you know this has got lime in it as well. So
I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm back reunited with my lovely boyfriend. We're back. And we're gonna just have a really cozy night. It's 7:05. We're gonna watch this show. We're gonna eat our dinner. And then we're gonna have an early night. So I will see you on Sunday for another video.
or we'll let our dinner go down, then we'll have an early night.
Yes, okay. And then I will see you guys on Sunday for another video. Bye.
Bye.